L Designs Plus presents a behind-the-scenes exploration of the creativity, technology, engineering, and occasional complete nonsense required to bring lighting displays to life.
These are props. These are pixels, very smart pixels.
The value of pi is 3.141526546.
Any questions? Can you create for me an animated lighting display with synchronized music and video? You know, custom LED props that will blow people away? Surely you can't be serious. Yes, I am serious. And don't call me Shirley. L Designs Plus props are crafted from premium 10mm, weather-resistant, durable corrugated plastic. Why the f would I pay $100 for a piece of plastic with a bunch of holes drilled in it?
Frankly, we're glad you ask. The reasons are many. So get yourself suited up and let's dive in.
L Designs Plus continues to raise the bar for innovative, precision-crafted, hyper-encabulated, gram-meter synchronized solutions in the lighting display marketplace. Every prop begins as an idea. Then comes the artwork, CAD, prototyping, revisions. Every pixel requires an exact location. Every location requires a number. Every number requires a wiring order.
Every wiring pattern is carefully optimized. Our singing faces undergo extensive testing. Each prop is tested for dimensional accuracy, pixel alignment, node insertion efficiency, and seasonal decorative harmonic compliance.
Then someone discovers that if pixel 347 is moved exactly one node to the left, world peace may actually be achievable.
So yes, you can make a piece of plastic with holes drilled in it. The plastic is actually the inexpensive part. The encabulation is where the magic happens.
L Designs Plus created the next evolution in Gorfoflex Amulite reinforced X modeling. Introducing the Encabulator Suite, a software bridge that allows for real-time manipulation of the sinusoidal depleneration coefficients. We've effectively bypassed the need for trimundulated Kranz-Kranjl the hyperorthogonal mapping automatically. This is the exclusive L Designs tool, capable of generating 2.42 gigawatts, which makes it all possible. It allows for real-time manipulation. You can adjust the reactive current feedback, ensuring the arrays remain perfectly balanced. The breakthrough occurred when pixel props could not achieve harmonization. The X model was generated. Our X model maps to the physical geometry of the coroplast prop. This ensures that every pixel maintains its spatial phase. This is made possible by the integrated gram meter. Prior to calibration of insertion vectors, every prop is resolved into a CAD topology. Utilizing node interpolation will facilitate the integration of quasi-increasing the modial load on the detractors tension. A logarithmic dingle arm couples the panometric fan to the hydrocoptic Marsal vanes,
Initiating the logarithmic dingle arm.
Coupling to the hydrocoptic Marsal vanes.
preventing side fumbling of data packets through the coroplast prop.
The entire L Designs team consistently pushes the envelope at their own personal risk to bring you the finest products possible.
We need more power! Increase the voltage! 2.4 gigawatts! 2.24 gigawatts!
We've done it!
Success!
It is alive!